Hi Nursery 3. Now we're going to learn how to make a beanbag at home for our beanbag songs. You can use any type of sock, rubber bands. You can use a white fabric like you get from a t-shirt that you can cut, and some rice to fill up in the middle. All you have to do is take your sock, fill it up with rice, and use the rubber band to close it off so the rice doesn't come out. Now, if your sock is too big, you can cut it off. Make sure it's a sock that you don't need. I'm going to cut off the top, and I have my very own beanbag. There's rice inside here, just like we played with in school. I have a colorful beanbag now. You can also use a white fabric that you decorate however you want. Morah tried Morah Michelle's rainbow idea. I took a white fabric, I colored it with markers, and then I dipped it into water. And now I have a colorful white fabric. I'm going to put rice in the middle of the fabric, and I'm going to close it up the same way that I did with the sock. I'm going to use a rubber band, or you can use glue, anything that will close it right up. I'm going to wrap it around my fabric. And now I have a colorful beanbag that I made all by myself. And all the rice pieces are in here that you could feel. I think it feels very bumpy inside. And now I can shake my beanbag along with the songs that we did in school.